In this video, I'll show you how to fix lag or stuttering in Windows 11. First, restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary issues and improve performance. Next, close unnecessary programs running in the background. Press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager and end tasks that are using a lot of CPU, memory, or disk resources. Now check for Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and install any available updates. You should also make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. If you're experiencing lag while gaming, enable Game Mode. Open Settings, go to Gaming, select Game Mode, and make sure it's turned on. Another helpful step is to disable unnecessary startup apps. Open Task Manager, go to the Startup Apps tab, and disable programs you don't need launching automatically. Next, check your available storage space. If your system drive is nearly full, delete unnecessary files or run storage sense to free up space. As a final step, run a full malware scan using Windows Security to make sure malicious software isn't affecting performance. And that's how to fix lag or stuttering in Windows 11. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.